Hello, today I'm going to show you how to scale objects from a custom point. First, select the Line Segment tool and single-click on the artboard. Change the length to 800 pixels and the angle to 0. Click OK. I'm going to increase the weight of my line to 70 points so you can see what we are doing more clearly. To scale a line proportionally, first select the line and then press the letter S to activate the Scale tool. You will notice that Illustrator automatically places a scale point at the center of the line. Now press Enter on your keyboard to open the Scale Options dialog. Let's scale it by 50%. Type 50 into the Uniform Scale Value box and then click OK. What if we want to scale it from a point that's not the center? Be sure that the line is selected and then press the letter S for the Scale tool. Now we can click on the scale point, hold it, and drag it to a desired point from which we would like to scale the line. If I hit Enter, Illustrator uses the previously used scale value and places the scale mark back at the center of the line. Let's change the scale value back to 100%. To do it correctly, with the line selected and the Scale tool still active, click on the desired point from which you would like to scale the line. Now click on one of the end anchor points, hold and slowly drag your mouse. Notice how the width percentage value changes in the gray box as you drag the mouse. Release the mouse when the width value reaches 50%. You might get lucky and hit the 50% mark, but it will usually be a bit off. I'm going to change the color. You will notice a difference in length when we align these two lines together. To do it correctly, first select the line. Press S for the Scale tool and while you are holding down the Alt key, click on the point from which you would like to scale the line. Now change the scale value to 50%. Let's change its color. When we align these two lines together, they should be the exact same length. Next, let's scale these two squares. First, select the blue square, press the letter S for the Scale tool and hit Enter. Type 50 into the Uniform Scale Value box. Let's click Copy and change the fill color. We will scale the second square from a custom point. So like we did before, first select it and then press the letter S for the Scale tool. Now, while holding down the Alt key, click on any point you would like to scale the square from. Let's leave the scale value at 50%, click Copy and change the fill color. Thanks for watching, bye bye.